Good morning, tutor and mates. This is my storybook video. Mm, my name is Santiago Edixon Moreno Preciado. I am 43 years old. I am sincere, friendly person and like to share and be with my family. I like to ride a bicycle and play soccer. I dislike dissonance and rude people. Also, I dislike to dance reggaeton and bachata. I live in Sogamoso City in the Olaya Herrera neighborhood. I haven't a favorite book, but I like to read the newspaper and sports magazines. My favorite holiday is the end of the year because I've been with the whole family. We go to my in-laws' house where we say goodbye to the old year and we welcome you to the new year. There we share, eat, drink, dance, hug, and wish each other a happy year at midnight. We haven't a special food, but we like eat sancocho, tamales, lasagna, or richen. During my change of the new clothes, for example, a jacket, a shirt, a pant, and a shoes. However, it's more important the love and family union. When I am in my house in the morning, I sometimes wash the dishes. Also, I always lay the beds. However, I rarely move and wash the floor because my wife does it frequently. When I am in the afternoon, I occasionally wash my overalls. Often I fold and store clothes in closets. After I help my wife serves the food and brings it to the table sometimes. Also I like to order and pick up my disorder besides my children do too always. Finally, I almost never cook. Currently, I am watching some television shows like the Guadalupe Rose, The News, and the novel To Love You. Also, I watch some movies at the cinema the weekend, such as Jumanji, Skyscraper, and Transformers. Then I listen vallenato, salsa, romantic music. I like to listen romantic, especially of Andres Cepeda, Luis Fonsi, and Sebastián Yatra. Likewise, I am reading a sports magazine about Colombian cycling and other sports. My daily routine is very varied from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. because I always have rotating shifts and my job and my routines are different. We must wear warm clothing in winter and autumn, for example, a coat, a woolen hat, a scarf, a pair of gloves, a trousers, a fleece, a ear muffs, a raincoat, and a boots, as these seasons are very cold and very windy. During the spring and summer seasons, we must wear light and comfortable clothes. For example, a shorts, a t-shirt, a skirt, a thongs, a swimsuit, a single, overalls, a cap, a sunglasses, and a flip-flop. I love the hot ground because I wear light and comfortable clothes, and I like to go to swimming pool with my family. Thanks and goodbye.